your mathematics book. So today we will do page number 4 and chapter number 2, that is big and small. We have already chapter number 1, we have already completed last day, spot the differences. We have identified 2 pictures and all the differences. We have already done it. And today we will do page number 4, that is big and small. So big and small, my preparatory students, those are already in the last year, you have already read it. So just I am writing on the board, it is KG mathematics class, and all of you just write down CW and date in your book. Page number 4, just left side at the above of the book, you just write down CW, and today's date is 13th April, so 13, 4, 2, 1. Today is 13th April. Bijit, please do. Where is your book? বিজিত নিজে নিজে করো, বুকটার উপরে CW লেখো, ডেট লেখো। ম্যাম প্লিজ ওকে নিজে করতে দিন। সবাই নিজে নিজে করার চেষ্টা করো। ভেরি গুড শ্রেষ্ঠা, খুব ভালো হচ্ছে। নিজে নিজে লেখো, নিজে নিজে লেখার চেষ্টা করো। দেখো বোর্ডে আমি লিখে দিয়েছি CW আর টুডেজ ডেট। So you can write in your book, নিজে নিজে করতে পারবে সবাই। So chapter number 2 or lesson number 2 today we will do, and the topic is big and small. So first you just want to know what is the meaning of big and what is the meaning of small. এই বিগ আর স্মল কথাটার মানেটা কি, সো দ্যাট আই ওয়ান্ট টু নো ফার্স্ট। তারপর তো আমরা করব যে বিগ কি স্মল কি। সো বিগ মিনস বড়, কোনো বড় জিনিস যখন আমরা কি বলবো তখন কি বলবো, বিগ থিংস, BIG, দ্যাট ইজ বিগ। বিগ মানে বড়, বিগ মানে কি বড়, BIG, big means বড়, okay? And just opposite of big, ঠিক big এর opposite হবে small, কোনো বড় জিনিসের ঠিক উল্টোটা কি হয়, ছোট্ট জিনিস, তাই তো? তাহলে ছোট্ট কথা কি হবে, small, SMALL, that means small. তাহলে বিগ অ্যান্ড স্মল, বিগ মানে বড় আর স্মল মানে ছোট্ট। ছোট্ট জিনিসকে আমরা বলবো স্মল অ্যান্ড বিগ জিনিসকে আমরা বলবো বড়, ওকে? তাহলে লেটস ফাইন্ড আউট হুইচ ওয়ান ইজ বিগ অ্যান্ড হুইচ ওয়ান ইজ স্মল। সো ফার্স্ট I'm drawing on the board one flower, and also I am drawing another flower. So can you tell me, suppose it is A number flower and it is B number flower. So can you tell me, students, which one is big and which one is big? Sorry, which one is small? Which flower is big and which flower is small? There is two names, number A flower and number B flower. So which flower is big and which flower is small? Can you tell me, students? Let's see who is the first one to give the answer. Come on. দেখি কে ফার্স্ট আনসার দিতে পারে। Very good, Shrestha. Shrestha has given correct answer. Please write down through the chat box. Okay, Nivedita is the second one. Very good, Nivedita. Now let's see who will be the third one. My God, all students are typing. Devangsh, Arjo. Yes, Arjo is the third one. Very good. And other students, come on, tell me the answer. Please, all of you, mute your calls, otherwise you cannot hear me. Very good. So those have given the answer, that is A is small flower and B is big flower. Okay, so I'm just write down here on the board A is small, S-M-A-L-L, small, and B is big, that is big flower. So you just easily you can identify which one is big, which one is small. B is এটা big flower, এটা বড় flower, so it is big, and এটা small flower, so it is small. Okay, now the next one. Let me see who will be the answer. There are 2 balloons on the board. Let me see who will be the give the correct answer. Number 1 and number 2. Number 1 balloon and number 2 balloon. Which one is big one? Which one is small? Come on, tell me. Debargo and Ornov, you can see me. Please disconnect your call and rejoin us. Please do it. Okay, very good. Bithika, Ashma, Arjo, Nivedita, given correct answer. Very good. Yes, number 1. Number 1 is big. Here is big balloon, একটা বড় balloon. So number 1 এ বেরোয়েছে big balloon. And number 2 is small balloon. Very good. So it is big. And it is small. Very good. Very, very good student you are. Really, I am very happy that এই বছরে KG students are very, very intelligent student. কি ভালো students. Very good. Now we will do our book. এবার আমরা bookটা করব. All of you, open your book. This page number 4 and do it now. All of you take your pencil and do it on the book. So first you just see big object এর পাশে কি দেবে এরকম tick. Which one is big object? You just write down tick. এমনি tick করবে. And small objects, beside of small objects এর পাশে you just give it cross. Cross দিতে হবে. Okay? Which one is big object? You just write down beside of the object, you just write down tick. এরকম একটা tick দিতে হবে. And which one is small objects? You just put it cross. wait or no, I just uh, I will join you now. Thank you, Debargo. Okay, so first you can see lion and rat. Isn't it? First objects, there are two animals. There is lion and rat. So which one is big? Lion or rat? Which one is big? I'm just writing here the words. আমি এখানে words গুলো লিখছি কেমন? Tell me students. Yes, very good Arjo. Lion is big and rat is small. So beside of lion you just take it, and beside of rat we put cross. Very good Ashma, Nivedita. Very, very good. Bijit, you just take a screenshot and send it through the chat box. Chat box e patiye dao. Ekta screenshot niye nao. If you have completed, you just take a screenshot and send it. So the next one. Next picture ta kisher bolo to? What is the picture of the next picture? Who can tell me what it is? What is the insect? Can you tell me? Yes, Shrestha, very good. This is scorpion. দেখেছো কোনোদিন scorpion? Can you see this type of insect? This is scorpion. So it is, এটাকে কাঁকড়া বিছেও বলা যায়. Scorpion and other one, ওইটা কি animal insect? Okay, Shrestha কোনোদিন দেখেনি scorpion. So yes, scorpion is big, and that is another insect is ladybug. Ladybug. Okay, ladybug. So it is small. So we just put it cross, and scorpion is big. So beside of scorpion you just write Shrestha bird noy, lady bird noy, ladybug, B-U-G. Okay. And scorpion এর পাশে tick is big and ladybug is small, so we just put it cross. Okay, now we will go to the next one. The vegetables. There are two vegetables are there. First is cauliflower and another is tomato. Very good. Very good. Tomato is small and cauliflower is big. And the last one, there are two birds, peacock and parrot. First one is parrot and peacock. Which one is big? Peacock is big and parrot is small. Okay, so now we have done our book. Amader book ta complete hoye gelo, page number 4. Very good. Peacock is a big bird and parrot is small bird. Now all of you take out your copy, school copy. School copy ta ber koro. All of you take out your school copy. Copy number 1. যেটা copy number 1 করেছো, and take out your school copy. So same thing, যেরকম বুককে আজ এখন আমরা করলাম, সেম জিনিস করবে. I will give you 3 objects and you just put it there, big and small. Identify big and small and how it is. Big এর পাশে এইভাবে টিক দিতে হবে, and small beside of small you just put it cross. All of you get ready. স্কুলের কপিতে নোট ডাউন করো. নাম্বার 1, number 1 object, there are 2 balloons. You just draw it in your copy. Number 1, this class, it will be uploaded through YouTube, so you will just take from there also. এখন যদি কোনো প্রবলেম হয়, দেখতে না পাওয়ার বা তাড়াতাড়ি করে যদি না করতে পারা যায়, কোনো প্রবলেম নেই, এটা আপলোড হবে ইউটিউবে, দেন ওখানে আপনারা পজ করে ভিডিওটা দেখেও করে নিতে পারবেন. So it is number 1. Okay, now number 2, I'm rubbing this. Next one is number 2. Number 2 object, that is it is number 2. দেবার্ঘ, now is it clear? এবার কি দেখতে পাওয়া যাচ্ছে লেফট পোরশন? দেবার্ঘ, now it is clear to you? শ্রেষ্ঠা এখন করো না, এগুলো পরে করবে কেমন, নেক্সট ডেতে এগুলো করে রাখো কপিতে, নেক্সট ডেতে একটা স্ক্রিনশট পাঠাবে, আমি চেক করব। অ্যান্ড দ্য লাস্ট ওয়ান, নাম্বার 3. It is number 3. Okay, so today we have done the page number 4 from your book, and also I'm giving to you these 3 objects you will do. Just find out big object and small objects, you just find out and do it in your copy. Next day I will check it in my class. Okay, so today's class for this much. Next day we will meet again in our another video. Till then, tata. And those are not able to see the board or something, they will just watch these video, you will check from the YouTube also. So this class also uploaded in this through the YouTube, so you just watch from there.